Global CO2 emissions amounted to some 36 billion tons in 2021, with the industrial sector responsible for about half. Such extreme quantities of CO2 place a huge burden on people, wildlife, and the environment. The pharmaceutical industry also has a role to play. Here, various specialists are working hard to achieve the climate targets set in Paris. To make this happen, numerous processes and systems must be modernized and made greener. The solution lies in decarbonization. ZETA delivers clean solutions for production equipment, building engineering, and infrastructure, for existing manufacturing facilities and future investment projects. Okay, let's get started. At ZETA, we decarbonize industrial equipment in 5 steps. Goal setting, measures, evaluation, strategy, and final implementation. The first step is to set a goal. How far should CO2 emissions be reduced, and when? We then devise the measures required to reduce CO2 in the short, medium, and long term. To this end, our engineers use system data to calculate the feasibility of potential savings via the planned clean industrial equipment. ZETA experts make the right adjustments to enable sustainable investments in production equipment, building engineering, and infrastructure. These investments help to create a healthier environment, while also resulting in rapid cost savings. Through targeted measures, a reduction in CO2 emissions of 1,000 tons has the potential to generate cost savings of up to €100,000. The right decarbonization strategy supports the fundamental objective of the pharmaceutical industry, keeping humans and animals healthy. Invest in energy-efficient equipment now, with ZETA as your partner for a clean future.